today's recipe, we make a spicy tomato jam. Hello folks, and welcome to another edition of Majid's Kitchen. This popular sauce or relish can be found in the Middle Eastern countries. It's a very simple recipe that will only take between 30 and 45 minutes with a few minutes of prep time for the ingredients. Spicy tomato jam can be enjoyed with pakoras, samosas, veggie burgers, savory pancakes, and almost any street food that you enjoy. Let's get started with the ingredients. Being a spicy tomato jam, obviously our main ingredient will be the tomatoes. So roughly chop about 5 tomatoes. We got about 200 grams to 225 grams of brown sugar, half a cup of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have about half a teaspoon of salt and about 2 dried chilies that are crushed. We also need garlic and ginger. So you got about 1/3 of a teaspoon of chopped ginger and 2 cloves of garlic roughly chopped and about 3 curry leaves. The first thing we're going to start with is by placing everything into a pot step by step and sauteing it all. Then we'll add in the rest of the ingredients and simmer everything together. Start off by placing about a spoonful of oil into a saucepan. Next, add in the garlic and ginger and the curry leaf. And have your stove on medium and give it a light saute. And let that go for about 30 to 45 seconds. And be careful not to let it burn. Add in your red chili. I'm going to use my fingers here. I'm holding back the salt for a while. So the heat on the stove's about medium heat. As you can see, nothing is burning but getting fragrant. And now I'll just turn up the heat to medium high and add in the tomatoes. Give it a stir. Let that cook down for about 5 minutes. And add in the sugar. Sometimes brown sugar tends to get a little bit of lumps, but that's okay, it's all going to melt in the pot. Add in the salt. soy sauce. Give it another stir. And lastly, we're going to add in the white wine vinegar. And we turn down the heat to medium and let that simmer. So folks, it's been about half an hour that this tomato jam has been simmering, and at this point I'm going to use my stick blender and give it a quick blend, pulverize everything. It looks like a tomato sauce, or tomato ketchup. Now we're just going to thicken it to get a chutney or jam consistency. So that will bring us to about the 40-minute point. So I'll get back to you as soon as that's done.